Hi everyone, and welcome. Um, Finally, after doing a lot of research and checking online and talking to different people, finally ended up with what I think will be the best 3D printer for creating our R2-D2 project. This is the Creality Ender-6. So it just came, so let's see what's inside the box and see what it can do. So okay. So, first impression, it's packaged very nicely. Instructions, it's always a good thing. These are the acrylic panels. What is unusual with this particular printer is, while it has the acrylic panels for the side, it doesn't have one for the top. So that's going to be something I'll have to order separately. Mainly that's only needed for doing ABS or other high temperature filaments, but it seems like it might be a good idea anyway to have that. And initially I'll be setting it up over here, but eventually it'll be going out in the garage where I can just let it run. And since there's a lot of temperature variation out there, it probably would make sense to have the cover, plus it'll help keep it cleaner as well. So something for the future. But for now, let's put these aside. Next layer, oh, here are the door panels. So, nice handles. Hardware looks like it's good. Nice and sturdy, okay. Check this one as well. Again, nice looking hinges. Everything's nice and tight. Looks like it's nicely put together. Wow. Hope I never have to put this back in the box, because this is going to be a maze trying to figure out how all these pieces go together. So, let's see what we got here. This looks like, oh, assorted screws, tie wraps, tools, power cord. It looks like some hot ends and nozzles. Not sure about that, but I guess we'll find out eventually. And also comes with a USB memory stick as well. So hopefully there's something on there and help us do some new firmware. Also comes with an 8 gigabyte memory card. So pretty much everything you need to get started. Oh, and of course, the most important, a handy dandy spatula for removing parts off the plate. And this does have somewhat of a sharpened edge, which is different than a regular putty knife or something. So hopefully this will come in really handy. Put that aside. Okay, this, how am I going to do this one? Okay, there's some sort of little black part. Not sure what that is, so I'll put it over here in this pile. Okay. So our glass printing surface and a full-size heat, well, not quite full-size heater underneath. These corners are missing, but hopefully that won't be much of an issue. We'll see. But overall, build quality looks really, really nice. Also, too, I don't know, well, you can see, but there are regular metal springs in here that, in doing research online, a lot of people have said are kind of unstable and tend to cause shifting and things. So what I did was pre-purchased a set of these silicone sort of spacer spring deals here. Let's see if I can open it. So these are just little silicone spacers, and that'll replace the springs, hopefully. We'll see what happens. And this comes with 8, so you can have adjustable heights if you need it. So we'll try that out, but not initially. We'll start with all the regular pieces as it is. Okay, set this over here. More packaging. Okay. Our collection of rails and some sort of printed circuit board for something. We'll see. Put that over here. Okay, our extruder, nice all metal, which is kind of a nice feature. A lot of these come with just the plastic extruders, which can be okay, but this should certainly wear a lot better. And it looks like it's really pretty good quality. We'll see, though, when we actually start printing with it. Now we've got some brackets. Oh, I know this would be the sensor, and then some sort of bracket. We'll see what that's for. Okay, how are we going to do this? This packaging is really quite elaborate, which is kind of surprising in a way, which is always good. So one of the axes, I'm guessing this is Z-axis, but I'm not certain. We'll see. Okay. And here are the little corner pieces that go on. Yeah, these are kind of an interesting shade of blue, so we'll see how that goes. They look like they'd be something that would be easy to model and come up with your own print for, to select a different color. I might want to try that. We'll see. And this looks like it's probably the main print bed. See, we've got cables. Oh, and here's a small reel of just white PLA, 1.75 millimeter. But it's nice. It gives average print temperatures that they recommend, so that's a good starting point. Add that to the pile over here. More packing. Let's see about getting this out of here. Oh, quite lightweight. Okay, so this would be the top section. Okay, not sure where to set this for the moment. I'll put it down here. Be careful with it. Yeah, I don't know. Don't want that to fall over. That would be a problem. More packaging. And finally, the main panel. So nice and sturdy. Bottom is solid. There is a wire taped to the bottom here. I think I will move that in so I don't squish anything when I put it down, but I'll kind of tape it in place in there so we don't lose it. So again, build quality appears to be really, really nice. And fairly heavy. I'm surprised. Okay, let's see. I think that's everything in the box. Let's move this temporarily. And what's nice is my rolling audio cart fits it perfectly, so that'll be nice. And as I mentioned, at some point this will probably go outside and out in the garage over here. But for now, we'll keep it in here so it'll be easy to practice with and experiment with. Okay, now time to go read the instructions, and then we'll come back and try to figure out how to put this thing together.